Hello chaps, and welcome back to Tino Car Care. Today we have an insane video for you guys. We have a disaster detail. Let's have a look at the condition of it. As you can see chaps, this Mercedes is in a bad state as it is covered in dirt and rubbish. It hasn't been cleaned for a very long time and it definitely needs some heavy work done. And just look at the steering wheel. The Alcantara has been clogged up in dirt and grime, and I actually thought it was a different colour of leather. The exterior is just as bad, as there is a very thick layer of dirt and grime that covers the whole vehicle. So chaps, we definitely have a big job on our hands. So let's not waste any time and start on the interior with a good vacuum. I use a stiff bristle brush to help release some of that stubborn dirt. I use a Tino detailing brush to help me remove dust and dirt from different surfaces of the car for my vacuum to pick up. So let's move on to the rear portion of the interior and make sure not to miss any spot with my vacuum. Be sure to subscribe for more videos and be sure to turn on that notification button to not miss an upload. This car is actually a 7-seater, so we need to be diligent and make sure we don't miss a spot. Chaps, how often do you clean your own car and what is the longest you have gone without cleaning it? Let me know in the comments below. Look how satisfying it looks as the vacuum sucks up all of the loose dirt. Now, let's give the carpets a deep clean. I put a board on the floor as I don't want the carpets touching the floor. I spray them with carpet cleaner and pressure wash them. I then cover them in shampoo and get to work on them using a drill brush. I then pressure wash them again. Look closely as the way the dirt comes out. I didn't extract everything and dry the carpets. If you don't have a drill brush, don't worry, just use a stiff carpet brush like this. You can still get great results, but the drill brush does make things a lot easier. For the interior carpets, I foam them up and get to work on them with my drill brush using different attachments to get into all of the carpet surfaces. Then they are extracted and wiped down. Be sure to subscribe for more videos and be sure to turn on that notification button to not miss an upload. I now use the Tino scrub pad with interior cleaner to get work on the interior surfaces. Just look how the steering wheel is transformed. We have brought the Alcantara back to life. When the Tino scrub pad gets dirty, all you need is some water. Just look how the dirt is released. If you don't have a tap nearby, then you can just also dunk it into a container of water. satisfying stuff right there, chaps. The Tino scrub pad is perfect for cleaning levers, plastics and vinyls on the interior of your car. However, we are very close to running out of stock as they have proven quite popular. So be sure to get your hands on them as they are about to sell out. Be sure to give this video a like if you're enjoying this. With the interior finished, let's move on to the exterior with the wheels. Look at all of that fallout coming out of those wheels. After pressure washing them, I use different brushes to give them a deep clean. Look at that before and after. The black stuff that is left is wheel damage from the curb. Since it is winter, it has started getting dark, so we have to get the job done as quickly as possible. I use pre-wash to loosen the dirt on the car with heavy build-up. On top of that comes the Tino green snow foam. Looking good, chaps. Be sure to get yourself a bottle of Tino green snow foam too. It is available on the Tino Car Care website. Once I let the snow foam to dwell for a few minutes, I get to work using my pressure washer to blast off the dirt. Be sure to give this video a like if you're enjoying this. Time for hand contact as I use multiple wash mitts and a Tino detailing brush to clean the Mercedes. I now perform the final rinse off. Let's dry the car using a microfiber drying towel and an air blower. time to give the windows a crystal clear finish using the Tino glass cleaner, and give the bodywork a good shine and protection with the exterior detailer. Let's finish up this disaster detail with the tyre shine. Here are your results. Enjoy. As you can see, the car has been transformed. Okay chaps, it got darker quicker than expected, but we still managed to finish the job. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I would like to thank you all for watching. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and here are 2 more videos I think you would like.